Do be mindful too. We talk about making sure you isolate legs. You should actually isolate lying leg curls and seated leg curls. You haven't seen us do this yet, but isolating those legs are gonna be very important. Do remember that. Last time we did hip thrusters last week, well, I actually did them yesterday, so I ain't gonna say in fake. But I ain't do them taxing yesterday because they ain't had a pad on there. So like I said, this is an easier way if by some chance you don't like the setup of the glute bridges, or if it's a situation where the glute bridge machine not available, you can just use this machine. But do be mindful that you're going to keep the tension in the glutes the entire time because you don't have the same range of motion, which is a good thing because do remember, as we draw it back to the bottom position, do understand you are actually loading a little bit more hamstrings at that point. This allows you to keep more tension in glute to develop the glutes. And here go another way to get into the machine. Instead of changing that, because some of y'all arms might be shorter, slide in just like this. Don't be scared. Make sure your position and everything set up properly. Keep the chin to the chest and up. Woo, 15. So remember, we're not using the same weight that we're using for the thrust that we're using for the leg press. I mean leg curls, there we go. I'm gonna do 60 this time. I ain't gonna fake, I'm gonna bull job on these. I'm gonna focus on a little bit more time under tension. Those not too bad. Sometimes you gotta realize you're playing yourself. Do be mindful too. We talk about making sure you isolate legs. You should actually isolate lying leg curls and seated leg curls. You haven't seen us do this yet, but isolating those legs are gonna be very important. Do remember that.